Hey kid! Fastest from start to finish. Every millisecond counts in these races. Wow, what an awesome adventure meeting all these incredible race cars. Each one is unique and exciting in its own way. Which one was your favorite? Was it the super fast Formula One car, the bumping NASCAR stock car, or maybe the giant-wheeled monster truck? Was it the sleek Formula One car, the bumping NASCAR stock car, or maybe the giant-wheeled monster truck? Thanks for racing with me today, kids. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Don't forget to grab your toy cars and have your own race car adventures at home. You can create your own tracks and race to your heart's content. And keep an eye out for race cars on TV or in real life. There's always something new and exciting to see in the world of racing. See you next time. Bye-bye.